this is an amazing day for Tamarack. It's an amazing day for me personally. I've been working on this thing for 10 years, and I've made a lot of long flights, set a lot of unofficial world records. I've flown from Sandpoint all the way to White Plains, 1,853 nautical miles with a 26 knot tailwind, which puts us about 1,700 mile range in a straight CJ, no wind, But this one's kind of special because the whole time the wind was just freaking killing us. It was 27 knots on the nose was planned. 41,000, wrong way 41 from Portland to West Palm. And it's easy. We have customers doing this all the time. So at the end of the day, this flight wasn't really suspenseful for me because I knew I got customers flying from Raleigh, North Carolina to every day to Centennial. And if the wind is 30 or 40 knots or less on the nose, they can make it nonstop every day for doing organs. Kevin Mock is one of the customers. And the guy that, if he can't do it, the guy behind him that does it is Lauren Myers, his 135, and they have a CJ with winglets and they can go nonstop. So it's not earth shattering. But so when we did this whole thing, had mixed emotions because we're gonna do this amazing trip, but we have customers doing it all the time. The distance, 1,200 nautical miles, is not that big a deal for a wingleted airplane. No wind, it's a 1,400 mile plane. But we ended up landing with 730 pounds after 4 hours and 35 minutes in the air. Yes, some reduced power settings in order to maximize specific range across the ground, which you would do if you had to get someplace, if you had to set a record like we did. So to us, it was a lot of talking and doing some serious math in the cockpit to make this thing happen. We were landing with 730 pounds. So overall, this is an amazing thing for me. We had AOPA. Both planes had an AOPA guy on board. Mike Collins was with us. But this just completely was a mic drop. Guys, we had a 70 knot headwind most of the way, and we still flew 4 hours and 35 minutes and landed with 730 pounds. So I'm just excited about this whole thing. I'm excited about being the partner with Wick, who's really good at fuel planning and thinking of options. So all that being said, this is a great day for me, great day for Tamarack, and I'm excited about continuing to do these kind of flights. We're gonna do the same thing with the CJ2. We're gonna do the same thing with the 3 and M2. It's really exciting for me because it really is a launch of the credibility flights, or the reality where no one can doubt what Tamarack does because we're bringing third parties in and verifying everything we've been doing for 10 years. All that being said, in the worst adverse conditions that can be presented to you, wrong temperatures, miscalculated winds, or misrepresented winds, we still can take you further.